First, let's change these image elements. When we click on the image, we'll see our 3 familiar settings tabs. Under Content, if we hover over this image, we can click Choose Image. That will bring us to our media library. From here, we could choose one of these images that's included in our template. These images have been used on our site already. If we click Search Images, these are copyright-free images that we could use. Or we can go back to Upload, and we could upload our own. I'll select a file, and I'll upload it to bring it into my media library. Then I'll click Select and add it to my site. I can then repeat that process to fill out the other placeholder images in this container on my site. If we click on one of our newly uploaded images, we can go to the Style tab up here, and we can make changes to how these look. I can change the size with the width and height adjustments. I might make this 90% here. We can add some rounder borders. I think 10 looks good. And we can enable a subtle box shadow like we did with our button. You can adjust the sliders or enter values directly. After experimenting, I think something like this looks good. And because I want these images to appear consistent within this container, I'll take some time to make the same set of changes to these other 2 images.